number one, you reduce the net explosive weight. That means you're using less explosives. And when you do that, you reduce the amount of overpressure, because overpressure has very negative effects and harm to the body. By cutting the amount of net explosive weight, you reduce the size of the charge, which, for example, in a hostage rescue operation, I want to be closer to the breach point. The idea was we needed a simple build. I just wanted something that would make it safer for us. And that to me became a big thing. Like, hey man, that would be something effective. If I could do something to reduce that, I'm gonna do it.